Here's a certified 2020 Mercedes-Benz CLA. The curves seduce the eyes and the sharp lines hold your gaze. When you get a taste of the performance, you'll know dreams do come true. And with features like these, every drive's a pleasure. Intercooled turbo inline 4-cylinder engine, gas pressurized shocks, auto shift manual transmission, first and second row express open and close sliding and tilting sunroof, streaming audio, memory exterior door mirror settings, dual zone climate control, external memory control, voice activated climate controls, wireless phone connectivity, and LED low and high beam headlights. Get the best, get Mercedes-Benz. See it for yourself when you take it for a test drive.
At RBM of Atlanta in Sandy Springs, we have the best selection of new and top quality pre-owned vehicles to choose from. We are conveniently located at 7640 Roswell Road in Atlanta.